If your jewellery designs feel a bit plain, you might be missing one simple component that can completely transform them: bead frames. In this video, I'll show you what they are, how to use them to instantly level up your pieces. Hi everyone! Have you ever made a piece of jewellery that just felt like something was missing? Not quite finished? That's where bead frames come in, and once you start to use them, your designs will never look the same again. Let me just show you. Let's just say we're making a bracelet, very pretty. These are very pretty purple and green beads. But what will it look like with a bead frame? See what a difference a bead frame can make to your jewellery pieces. As you can see, I have gone completely overboard with bead frames. If you are new to my channel, I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll find jewellery, craft and jewellery making supplies. I do cater for those new to making jewellery, so lots of my supplies you can buy singly, example charms, gemstone beads. I do pack like these I'm offering in packs of 10, 5 gold, 5 silver. So bead frames are really useful and often an underrated component in jewellery making. You can think of them as decorative holders or outlines that showcase a bead rather than just string in it. Now, bead frames can be made of acrylic. These are acrylic and very popular, but also metal. And their purpose is to surround a bead, highlight the bead. So instead of the bead being the only focal point, the frame adds shape, structure and extra design detail. So they come in lots of shapes and sizes, colours. I have just gone for gold and silver. I've just sat down and put them all onto the website. So let me just show you. We've got some oval. These are made of, get this correct Claire, CCB. And CCB is a durable plastic, and these connectors offer a shiny finish that resembles metal, so they are more durable than if you just think of plastic. So here we've got some oval ones. Now you might be thinking, what size beads fit inside? 6mm. I have tried with an 8mm. No, does not go, even with these larger ones. Not saying you can't get them for 8mm, of course you can, but I've just gone for these for now. So we've got gold and silver oval. We've got the flowers. We've got the flower ones. I think these are my favourite. I do like those. We've got hearts. Pretty, aren't they? These are pretty. And we've got the round circle ones. Now these have a hole in each side for you to thread through your elastic or your wire. You don't just use them to make bracelets, you can make all sorts with them: pendants, earrings. This isn't an earring wire, this is a needle, but you can imagine you can make some lovely earrings with those. The star with a hole each side. Some of them, not these, but some of them you can get more holes, and it helps people who wire wrap. You can actually wire wrap these as well. I'm not saying you can't with 2 holes. You can still, especially this shape, you could easily wire wrap this shape. I've seen bracelets made, every single bead having a bead frame. So how do you attach them for those that are new? So for those that are new to jewellery making, let me just pop this on the end. I'm really worried that the beads will fall off. Let's do the larger metal one. So we thread it through one side. Take a bead. So I've just threaded it through the one side. Just pop a bead through. There it is here, there's your bead. So I just thread the elastic this side and pull, and there's your bead. There's your bead inside. And let me just put 2 more of these so you can see. Let's get this, you see it better. The difference that it makes. I love silver. I just love silver. Gold doesn't suit me. I just love silver. So I've put them on the website. I've been so productive today. I like to do journaling, and my next journal, I'm just waiting for some fabric to come with mushrooms and foxes. May come tomorrow, maybe Monday. I've been and bought lots of mushroom woodland themed products. I've got some amazing earrings, and I did buy an extra pair. I am going to list them on the website. They're made of wood and they've got toadstools on. So I've added lots of new items to the website. Oh, we've got my next journal. I do journaling. I'm new to journaling. I'm teaching myself, and I'm having so much fun. So much fun. So I have gone completely mad and bought lots of mushroom charms, fairy doors. I want to use them, and maybe you would like to too. And I thought maybe you would like to too. Keep an eye out. I've still got supplies coming. Do keep an eye out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell. I think I have about 300 jewellery tutorials, so I'm sure there's something in there that's aimed at the jewellery beginner, so I'm sure there's something in there you'll find. So thank you so much for watching. Take care, and as always, happy crafting.